In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your website to host your new HubSpot pages. This process is a crucial step for integrating and managing your website's content through HubSpot, and I'm here to guide you through each phase with ease and clarity. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide of HubSpot. Head over to the link provided for your HubSpot trial guide. Once you're there, you'll have access to all your HubSpot tools and features that are fundamental in managing your website's content. This guide acts as your centralized hub for configuring and customizing your website. Next, you'll need to access the settings. In the HubSpot interface, look for the Settings icon or Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new window with various options to help you tailor your HubSpot experience. The settings house all the management tools you'll need to customize how your website and HubSpot interact. Now, find and click on the Content section within the settings. This is where all your content management options are centralized. It's the perfect spot to control what your audience sees and interacts with, as well as where you can organize your pages, blogs, and more. Ensuring proper content management is key to maintaining an effective and engaging website. Afterward, locate and select the Domains and URLs option. This setting is specifically designed to help you manage your website's domain settings and how they link with HubSpot infrastructure. Clicking here will guide you to a page detailing all the domains currently connected to your account and give you options to modify them. At this point, you'll want to click on the option labeled Connect a Domain. This feature allows you to establish a link between your personal or business domain and HubSpot. Clicking here will initiate the process for connecting new domains, and you'll follow simple on-screen prompts to guide you through the integration. Once you're ready, click on Primary. This step is crucial as it designates which domain will be your main site when viewed by the public. Ensuring your domain is set as primary means your visitors are seeing the intended site, which is efficient for your marketing efforts. Finally, the last step is to hit Connect. This finalizes your choices and establishes a solid connection between your chosen domain and HubSpot's suite of tools. After connecting, your website will be ready to host new HubSpot pages, and you can start using HubSpot to its full potential in terms of marketing, analytics, and contact management. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough for connecting your website to host new HubSpot pages. By following these simple steps, you've now integrated your domain with HubSpot, ensuring that you have the infrastructure set up for effective site management and optimization. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!